Ofada rice. Do you know that most people call this Abakaliki rice? And the difference is one is grown in Ebonyi and the other one is usually grown in Ogun State. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your Ofada rice neat and fine and without any dirt in it. In order not to waste your time, let's get right into it. In the pot, you're going to add a little bit of water and then allow your water bring to a boil. While your water is doing that, we're going to bring out our Ofada rice and we're going to add a lot of water to it and we're going to wash this. This is how my Ofada rice looks, and I'll tell you that I washed this about 3 to 4 times before I'm going to pour it inside the pot on fire. So now our water is bringing to a boil, so we're just going to pour in our rice inside just like this. And after that, we're just going to cover it and allow it to bring to a boil, and this took about between 7 to 10 minutes. While it's boiling, we're just going to bring it out and we're going to sieve it and we're going to rewash our rice. So this is how it looks like, and this is for the second time we're washing this. So I'm just going to add a lot of water to it and I'm going to wash this again about 2 to 3 times before I'm going to turn it back on fire. Mind you, now we're just going to put a water on fire and we're just going to allow it to bring to a boil. And after 7 minutes, our water is ready. We're just going to pour in our rice back to the water. Definitely, like you'll notice, there's a huge change in the water and also the rice. It's much cleaner and it's much brighter. Then we'll just go add a little bit of salt to taste in this, and we're going to mix together and we're going to cover it and allow it to get cooked. And after 15 minutes on a medium heat, this is how our rice looks like. So I'm just stirring it and I'm going to mix this together for you to see. Look at how clean and bright and stone free our rice looks. So after doing this, our rice is ready. So time for us to serve. So by the way, I serve this with ayamashi sauce and with fried plantain. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, if you want to know how I made this my ayamashi sauce, the video will be up on my YouTube channel, and do well to tell me what you think about this video. Would you be recreating this video? Do not forget to watch our other videos, like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone, and most especially thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.
Bye.